My people, things are happening, my people. Not be small something. We are still on this matter. This Lollywood actor, Emeka, legend, my people. Not be small thing. I want to talk. I don't know. Nigeria Lollywood actors and actresses, they know they help at all. If the people they sick, they know even they pull mats. Now outside that, I can they help them. Anyway, my people. This man now don't come out, he don't show face. If una go fit help this man really needs us. He really needs people to help him so that he go, commence in journey. If na India or if na anywhere or South Africa, anywhere where you won't go, may you go do this thing before it go get worse. And I understand. Now, Jpac don't finally meet him. He don't call him one-on-one in live video. He don't ask him different question, and he can't talk as the thing be, as it they enter one sickness to another, as it build house finish for village, as they finish he has now there for they see different temptation, my people. Not be smart, from nyash when they pay now boy he enter stroke from stroke now I now different thing I can they see, my people. May not come be say I too talk, I go leave una more for watch this video.
And I am privileged to get our dearly legendary in the Nollywood industry in the person of a high chiefs at Emeka Ani and with the government now, because now I don't like MSC Makagene. Na MSC merawo ye punodo. Onye na afọ ebe agada bụ live video. I don't make Emecha. Somebody connected me, which is Prince Emmanuel Chukwueze Nimo State. So put to a conference call, and I'm privileged to get our daddy now. Unchoka daddy I go no kumakagene. Agama no kamiri ba anya na this time around. Kita okwa kana ameba na ameba oso muaze. Ayama anokwane nya ba okwa ami osi okenya ọ ga-ajọgbu onwe. Maka na onuru ube nwanne we tufu ihue ọ jọgbukwara onwe. Nna ya biko anọ na live broadcast now. Anọ na live broadcast ya na-emegide abụ I dey play I dey show. Ana ekwu ana eme ana afụ n'anya. Nyakarabo nwanne mara nwanne. Igbo love themselves. Kene ndị Igbo. Okay.
Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ọsọ enyemaka ana m ekene onye ọbụla mana ọkacha nke a bụ n'anya m akụ okwu gbazere n'anya n'akụkụ okwu omis.
Mebegodi anya ga mebe dị anya. Mba, adị m afụ ya, anya na-afụ ya, ada afụ ya. Tọọ na kamera ọfụma, ada afụ ya anya. Mgba. Na ife sachiri anya ebe a, unu afụrụ ya. Na ife sachiri anya ebe a, live.
Ọ na-asọpụta n'anya na-abụ asị na ọ bụrụ na ọ gakarịa otogide ha na ruo n'anya nke ojii onye ahụ ekpughị isi ebe o si na ọ bụrụ na ihe aka ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-akwado m ka nje obodo India ka ndị ọcha were aka ha wee hazie ya mee ọpreshọn wepụta ewepụ ihe ndị ahụ ma cataract ma glaucoma ihe taa.
Okay, nna anyị kwuo nwere ajụjụ m chọrọ ịjụ gị onwego ụlọ ọgwụ ndị jego na Nigeria and the result. Onwego ụlọ ọgwụ jego na Nigeria ma and the result
ha nchadị St. Joseph Eye Hospital dị na Mgburichi.
St. Joseph Eye Hospital
ọ dị na Mgburichi Imo State.
Mgburichi Imo State.
Yes, ejikwa m Assyria Eye Hospital dị na Agege, Lagos.
Assyria Eye Hospital na Agege.
Bido February last year, 2022. Ganye na August can they back and minute this week. Yeah, every week. Can I have appointment? Can I have make test in but no, for me confirm one I am a member of operation.
Okay.
We have even. I come on into the on the HM from which the local. I don't know for one year or not. I'm not required not to. The regular copy even doesn't. What now for 50 million? What now for 30 million? You know? Now, the Naga, we were going to go. Now, one of the guests were going to go. I wouldn't even know for Naga. First, we keep them on Nanga. They may have operation or somebody got in the mine. Now, but even the day, even those of them,
okay. Okay, but hold on. I'm coming, hold on. What am I got number? I can type where here. People are willing to support you. But I'm available. I can number when the key will go instantly. At least Kebe Lagos. That's on Kebe Lagos. By from now till weekend. Kebe Lagos from now till weekend. At least get us some such amount of money. We got no 100,000. Get us there. Kebe Lagos. That's on KJ. KJ no can you get referral letter? Can I make a call? Key is India or Qatar. I will put call. Come on, every year we made the search because now I have to get oh, we go to the Georgia Zenjo Machuque. Say, I had John Kai John Jar. Well, now they are out of yoga. Now you go never get that. I was also I got an area. I made a stroke. I made a stroke in Bordeaux 2002. About 2002, Abby.
No, 2020.
All of our own 2020. We may a new day, none against it. Couldn't whatever say Yaka. All finish your own 2020. I pay a new in a village. After a new, they can only say that one again.
Stroke.
I pay a stroke. I pay a stroke. Who's the Yanabo? Then a stroke a new rakata. A tree to get Kaman and Ghana. Okay. Also, I okay. Okay. Bottom number can pin where here. Open on Kazanity, born key, me will transfer. Bon key, me will transfer. Open a chain travel to Lagos. Yankee transfer, Uluma de go, Nagego. Oh, young body account was here. 200,194 92 and 92 200,194 92. Yes. Get out fire for there. Emmanuel Chukwu Emeka Ani. Wait, I'm coming. Emmanuel Chukwu Emeka Ani. Let me pin it here for people to help. Somebody said Zenith is not working, but they say Zenith. Okay, but I fidelity. Everybody will. Cambia on with fidelity. Fidelity account. Fidelity account number. Okay, Ngabo.
Fidelity 6051 870 345 6051 870 345. The same name Abi? Emmanuel Chukwu Emeka Ani.
Emmanuel Chukwu Emeka Ani. Or they can be pinunka because now they man complain na network the bad now that Senate.
Okay.
Let me pin Fidelity.
Okay.
My people, share on I don't watch where Jpac for the interview where for the talk as you know he still go church go that man when they put hand for his head when they tell and say sickness don't vermouth not be small thing my people now yeah now I want for live on and he still use the matter talk say he believe say he go he but my people wait I won't beg una as he take call he account number for yeah if una get anyone at all we know say the country hard una go feel help am again my people okay now here now one for leave una thank you guys for watching and I so much appreciate you guys ciao ciao.